Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is one of the best email marketing softwares on the planet. I mean, it's pretty much like this says right here. All the tools you will ever need to quickly and easily grow your business online. And what I'm talking to y'all today about is Builderall. You can build your own sites, make your own sales funnels. They got their own autoresponder. They in more than 100 countries already. Builderall can do everything. They got everything in the back office you ever need to follow up with your prospects and leads. I just can't say enough about it. It's a lot of other email marketing softwares out there, but this is one of the best. You know, I would go on and on about Builderall, but they got a 6 minute and 35-second video that I think can pretty much sum up everything that me just, keep carrying on and talking about it. So I'm gonna put the link below this video, and when you get to this page right here, I want you to click on the video. This video right here. The reason why I got that right there, I'd already watched it again because I just love how it explains this thing in a nutshell. The tools over there is just incredible. Builderall, it's just getting better and better. And like I say, it's already in more than 100 companies. It's already in over 100 countries. But yeah. So I ain't gonna talk y'all to death about it. When you get to this page right here, because I'm putting a link below, watch this 6 minute and 35-second video. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.